All right there, YouTube. You don't face your fears, you ride them out. Fire in the hole! All right there, YouTube. Got a little new saw today. This is an Echo 3006. It is an electric pruning saw. As you know, I'm always about like testing new products out and putting them out, showing them what they can do for y'all as viewers to see what you got before you buy it. That's just me. So this is a non-sponsored ad. I personally bought this. So what I plan on doing is we're going to be cutting a whole tree today, okay, with this thing. And all right, there, YouTube. So we got this tree just leaning really hard, kind of over the power lines. And yeah, so when we get up there, I'm going to just start cutting limbs off, and then I'll start cutting the top out and just get it where it's short enough where we can just lay it down out of the way. But yeah, so here's the there's a power line. So I really can't just follow it in the way I wanted it to because it's the land. So we're going to be cutting this tree right here, and I'm going to be using this. So it is a, yeah, like I said, it is a hand pruning saw is what it is, an electric one. It's got a 6-inch bar on it, and I'm going to get up in the tree, start doing some work, and then when I get done, we'll talk about it and what I think about it and just kind of give you my honest opinion. So hopefully you stick around. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, you can go ahead and turn that one on. Just get it a good angle. Oh, it's gonna be about time for a new rope. All right, there. So this one's gonna be pretty big. So you staying clear? Okay. All right, go ahead and just pull it out of the way. I got you. Okay. I'm gonna cut a stub so clear. Perfecto. Got another one coming. Let's see here. Okay. That one's pretty good. I'm cutting a stub. Alright. So, chain needs to be tightened up just a little bit. There's no like tension in the screw, so it's kind of like you tighten it down and you pull it out. Oh. Alrighty. So we're going to go up just a little bit. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Probably. Let me get this thing out. Let's see. Get a better little grippy on here. I'm gonna suck myself in just here. All right. So I'm gonna take. You're gonna watch yourself. I'm gonna take this one down. Okay. So make sure you're not in the line of fire. Whew. All right. All right. I need to do my flip one. Let's see here. We got to change positions. Come on. Okay. Checking my equipment. It's good. It's good. It's the problem. So we're gonna have to do this. Okay. So normally would not leave the stub, but this bar is so short, it's kind of hard to cut some of these bigger branches. Now, given this tree is overkill for the saw, but it's a good demonstration of how big these branches you can take with it. So that's why I'm doing this, so you guys can see. And this is kind of in a funky, spot for this limb. All right. Yeah. All right, so I may be able to cut this stub a little bit better since I've got my Let's get my climb rope out of the way. Let's get my foot line a little bit higher up. Okay. So, as you can see, it's going to take every bit of that bar. That's the only downside, is constantly having to tighten it up. That was a, I don't know if you can see that. That was every bit of 6 inches there, YouTube. It was a lot of branch for that little tiny bar. I'm about to have to replace this old climb line. Wee-oo. Wee-oo. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. Sit. Go. I'm gonna sit back in this a little bit. Actually, move my climb line out of the way. Oh, so we're getting there. And hey, has your dad come back yet? Okay. Yeah. Let's get this guy right here, I guess. Oh. Okay. He's coming, okay. I was just gonna see for visual to help me kind of reference where the lines out. If I take this limb right here, would it touch that? It'll be good.
Yep, right there.
That next one?
When it comes down, it's probably gonna clear it by 6 feet or so.
Okay, I was just making sure. Gotta cut a stub. This is the only thing I don't like. Constantly tightening it. Huh?
Working good?
Yeah, it's cutting good. I mean, it's brand new chain, of course, but it's just just by looking at me and reference to the top, am I high enough or do I need to go higher? Because I thought about just cutting this and just laying it down right here, but I don't know if it's got too much limb weight going that way.
Yeah, it goes that way pretty good.
All right, so I'm climbing up more. Oh. Woo. You like how I'm doing that, right? That's good video right there. Just saying. So if I cut this one, not gonna hit anything?
I don't think so.
All right. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to adjust myself.
And obviously, if you cut that one and then climb
Just right there?
3 feet, you can cut all 3 of those 4.
Yeah. And it'll be good?
And then you just be left with the speed.
Yeah. All right. Oh. I may have to transition into that saw once I get these 4 pieces, because I'll cut maybe a couple logs off while I'm up here just to kind of shorten it. All right. All right. If I can get it to go. Nice. That's such a big piece. What are we looking at?
Well, man, if you get high enough to cut 3/4,
Yeah, you think getting up there would be good?
I mean, I know you could do it from where you're at, too, though.
Yeah, the bar is just not big enough. So I need to go up a little bit more.
I think you'd be less dramatic if you climb up a little more.
Yeah, I'd rather be less dramatic. Everybody clear? Nobody coming? Here we go with the top. All right, last top.
Don't forget to say the line.
Oh yeah, what was it again?
You don't taste your fear. You're right.
Okay, I'll do it right when I do the back cut, okay? All right there, YouTube. You don't face your fears, you ride them out. Fire in the hole! Woo! Not too much movement.
Yay.
Thank you. All right. There you go. Nice flop. Terrible cut. I'm done. Alright, there, YouTube. Just got the stem of wood left, and it brushed out. Great job, Hannah. As far as this thing, we'll talk about it on another video.
Thanks for watching the Church Junkies.